to Elstar Aviation. Lufthansa Group has shared the news about their latest order. Lufthansa Group ordered 40 fuel-efficient Boeing A787-9 and Airbus A350-900 long-haul aircraft. Currently, 787 and A350, they are the most fuel-efficient planes currently flying. Two engines jets, they will primarily be replacing four-engine aircrafts, specifically A380 and A340. Swiss Air operates 4 A340s and Lufthansa operates 7 A340s and 12 A380s. Lufthansa Group prides itself in consistently forging ahead with the modernization of its long-haul fleet. The executive board and the supervisory board is the one that approved the purchase of a total of 40 state-of-the-art aircraft for the group. The new planes, they are expected to be delivered between late 2022 and 2027. CEO and chairman of Lufthansa Group said, by replacing four-engine planes with new models, we are laying a substantial foundation for our future in the long run. In addition to the cost effective of the A350 and the 787, the significantly lower CO2 emissions of this new generation of long-haul aircraft was also a decisive factor in our investment decision. Our responsibility for the environment is becoming more and more important as a criterion for our decisions. The order is valued to cost around $12 billion. Any large order guarantees that the airline will get a price reduction. Lufthansa Group reported that they negotiated for a significant price reduction, although we don't know their price reduction because the airline and the manufacturers, they have not disclosed any actual purchasing price. The decision regarding which airline will deploy the aircraft at which hub will be made at a later stage, but I believe that Lufthansa will get around 10 787 and 5 A350s, considering the fact that Lufthansa is already operating 12 A350s, plus they will be the launch customer for Boeing 777X. So they will not get many planes from this order. However, Swiss Air will be the one that will benefit because they are going to get more planes, as it is that currently they are operating the old aircrafts. So they are going to need to modernize their fleet. The investment in new technology, efficiency and passenger comfort is a continuation of the ongoing fleet modernization of the group's airline. Airlines of the Lufthansa Group, they are currently operating around a long-haul fleet of 199 aircrafts. By the middle of the next decade, the entire long-haul fleet will have been modernized. The group is said to save costs by modernizing their planes. They will save around 20% of their current costs. In addition to this, Lufthansa Group will be significantly reducing the diversification complexity of its fleet, which will reduce cost complexity for maintenance and the supply replacements of parts. A380s will be leaving Lufthansa by 2020 and 2023 as they will be sold to Airbus. The group is reducing the size of its Airbus A380 fleet from 14 aircraft to 8. This is based on economic reasons, as it is operating A380 has been an economical challenge for many airlines. Once again, let me take this opportunity for thanking you for watching my video. Feel free to comment, like and subscribe.